Most people think waxing at home is easy, but one mistake can lead to painful bumps, burns, or ingrown hair. This guide is for beginners and anyone who wants safe, smooth results at home. Always start with clean skin to avoid infections. Light exfoliation 24 hours before waxing helps prevent ingrown hair. Hair should be about 1/4 inch long for the wax to grip properly. Very long hair can make waxing more painful and ineffective. Hard wax is better for sensitive areas, while soft wax works for larger areas. Always test wax on your wrist to avoid burning the skin. Apply wax to a small area first to check for skin reactions. Use waxing powder or cornstarch to absorb moisture. Spread wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull the strip against hair growth for better removal. Keeping skin tight helps reduce pain and bruising. Fast removal is less painful than pulling slowly. Waxing repeatedly can cause skin irritation and damage. Use cool compresses or soothing gel after waxing. Touching freshly waxed skin can transfer bacteria. Tight clothes can cause friction and irritation. Heat can irritate freshly waxed skin. Sweat can cause breakouts and irritation. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer. Start gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 days after waxing. Most people wax every 3 to 4 weeks. Avoid waxing if you have cuts, sunburn, or irritated skin. Following these simple steps can give you smooth, professional results at home.